Well, hello YouTube. Here we are at a nice hill. I thought, you know what, I want to rip this hill. Just looks nice sunset, or half up sun. And this hill looks not bad either. Just driving along, thought, bugger it, let's have a rip. Alright. Whoa. That's a lot of nests. Reception went to shit. Nearly got out, but then I must have nicked the very edge because all my props are poop. I'm gonna be hard up if I can. She's gonna be pissed. Oh, look at that little gap there. And down in there. Should have looked around more first. Well, YouTube, looks like I'm already gone today. That was a quick bloody flight, wasn't it? One flight out of props. I should have some more tomorrow though. I ordered them last week. They were meant to be here Friday. Yeah, that didn't turn out. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one small flight and a little crash at the end. Thanks for watching. Cheers.